The foundational blueprint. From abstract proof to immersive visualization. The derivation sheet serves as the vital analytical anchor for the entire project, providing the ground truth upon which all visual representations are built. While the diagrams offer a dynamic way to experience the data, the derivation sheet is the source of mathematical certainty, transforming abstract problem statements into concrete mass values. The bridge of logic. The sequence diagram. The sequence diagram acts as a bridge between the raw theory found in the derivation sheet and the functional digital environment. It illustrates the logical flow where the Phase 1 analytical results, the exact calculations for how much mass is contained within a cube or a sphere, are handed off to a computational framework. Without the derivation sheet as a starting point, the sequence diagram would have no verified data to feed into the animations. This progression ensures that when a viewer sees a scatter plot or a color map, they are witnessing a mathematically accurate translation of the initial proofs rather than just an artistic simulation. The evolution of purpose. The state diagram. If the sequence diagram is the how, the state diagram defines the why. It outlines a purposeful journey that begins exactly where the derivation sheet ends, with the fundamental calculation of volume integration. From calculation to observation, the state diagram shows how the narrative shifts from simply confirming total mass values to analyzing how density is physically distributed across space. Scaling complexity. It tracks the transition from the basic shapes analyzed in the derivation sheet, the cube and sphere, to much more intricate geometries like the torus and ellipsoid. The cohesive narrative. Together, these components create a complete intellectual cycle. The derivation sheet establishes the core laws, proving that density increases as you move away from the center. The sequence diagram then executes these laws by mapping them into a visual medium. Finally, the state diagram guides the viewer through the implications of these laws, showing that while a cube and a sphere might share the same underlying density field, their unique boundaries result in vastly different physical characteristics. This synergy ensures that the project is not just a collection of demos, but a structured exploration of how matter fills the dimensions of our world.